Hello, welcome to this lecture series of course this computer aided engineering graphics. Today we'll talk about the question number 4 of this sheet number 2 of classwork. Actually it is not visible to you. Okay, so let's talk about the some what is given in this problem. In this problem we are having the front view, we have the top view, that is plan AB. Its plan AB of 72 mm length. Its true length is 72 mm and it measures 62.4 mm. Okay, while length of its front view is 49.2 mm. So we have the length of the elevation, and length of the plan we have. Okay, and the true length of this. Okay, and the end A, projector A is location of A is also we have. So let's start working on it. Okay, so let me take pen so that I can draw with the center. So what we do, first we draw the XY line. Okay, this is your XY line, right? Okay, this is done. Okay, then we have to locate the A. The end A is in the vertical plane and 12 mm above the HP. So end A is here, somewhere here. Okay, this is A. Okay, 12 mm above the HP, horizontal plane, and as it is in vertical plane, so its trace is also coincides with the elevation. So VT and A prime is coincides, and as VT is here, we can mark V also on XY line, as the VT and V are on the same line and it is the intersection of this. So we can mark the V also here. So you mark this point V. Let me just encircle here. This V we can mark. We can locate A prime. Okay, we can locate A also. Okay. Now what we do? We do one thing, that this is 49.2 mm is length of its. We draw an horizontal line at this locus and we mark it at 49.2 here. Okay, we will just draw one projector or simply a vertical line over here. Okay, then okay, so what we can do, we can project it here. So we don't know where it will intersect. Okay, we just draw it here. Now we take an compass here and measure 72 mm true length and you just mark here. Okay, from here to here, and you now able to locate this B2. Okay, from B2 you draw one horizontal line like this horizontal line. Okay, from B2 join this A point. Okay, A point is on XY line, as its H point. What is given? 12 question is not visible to you. I think. Let me extend this. So what you did, you have this locus, so you just project over here true length. So this is true projection, true length, and this is true length, then it will make the true angle. So now you have the its plan here, true length, and this true angle, inclination with the horizontal plane, inclination with vertical plane, and from this point you draw one horizontal line and you mark 62.4 mm here. You can get the plan easily. Now plan and HT. Now plan means top view, HT and V lie on the same line. So this plan B point A and this A and V coincides here and extend it. So you will get the this line. Okay, so where to mark this H point? H point you can mark by extending this A prime B prime, but no, you don't have the A prime B prime. Let me draw that first. You just extend this here and again mark this line 49.2. you will get and extend it, you will get the H point. Okay, H and HT are on the same line, so you can get the HT point. So HT and this are in the same line, you can cross check it also. So this way you can mark the HT and all this complete solution of the problem. So in this way you can find the true angles of the line and true length, true inclinations. Okay, very simple concept. Okay? You just understand this diagram. Okay? And these 6 points, always you have to use these 6 points. Always you will use